Hi guys, it's Leanna. I'm here with Cassandra and I'm here with my friend. Her name is Stephanie. Hi Stephanie. We are MagNeat.O and we are here at Spooner Lake. It's up in Lake Tahoe. I haven't been here in a really long time. So I don't remember what it's like. The last time I was here was a couple long time ago. There was leeches in this pond. Or this lake. So we'll see. It's either going to be A, really awesome, or B, it's gonna be disgusting. So we're gonna go that way right now. We're gonna pick some garbage up while we're on our way there. Spooner's actually really good. They have park rangers and they clean up, so that's pretty amazing. And there isn't usually a ton of garbage, but there's, they miss some stuff. So we're on our way and I will be back. You gotta look at how absolutely clean it is here. It is so amazing. I'm very impressed. I've yet to even find some garbage, and so Spooner Lake is definitely on my top list of just awesomeness for being eco-friendly or having somebody come out here and clean. Alright, the first cast of the day. She's reeling it on in. Cassandra over there doing her due diligence. And I don't know if do people fish here?
I have no idea.
People do fish here?
I came fishing last time.
You did fish?
Yes, I was on those rocks over there.
Alright.
Exactly, actually. And I actually went in the water.
Oh, seaweed galore. So for the first time in all the walk that we've been down here on the trails, I did find a piece of garbage. Dun 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 dun. There it is. I found it. Let me get this. Yes, don't judge me for not having gloves on. All right. Other than that, all I see are feathers, and feathers is not trash. Oh man, guys, it is super hot and cold at the same time. It is like a massive oxymoron. The only garbage that I ended up finding was this mustard packet. I think that's pretty awesome. Like, they're doing whatever they're doing here, either people are super conscious of not littering, or they're doing a really good job of keeping it really clean out here, which is awesome. We traveled through half of Spooner. It's like a loop, it goes in a circle, and we didn't find anything. There's so much, I do believe the word is sediment. You throw the magnet in, and when you pull it back out, there's just gobs of, it's magnetized dirt. I'm gonna look that up. I have no idea what it's called or why it does that, but there wasn't really much to show, so there's no point in showing it. But we are going to go to Cave Rock. We haven't decided. Stay tuned. Hi guys! So we decided to go to Cave Rock. Again, somewhere I have never been. Every single time I come to Tahoe, I go to Sand Harbor. It's just my go-to. Everything that I've ever done in my life, my family, I've always just gone to Sand Harbor. So look it's just gorgeous. I love Lake Tahoe. It is so beautiful here. We're gonna go down to the docks right now. The people here at Cave Rock, they let us in for free. That's awesome. So we're gonna go down there. We're going to magnet fish a little bit and see what we can find. here's the dock that we're going to be magnet fishing off of. Cassandra's already down there. She's like, I'm out of here. I'm busting out of this joint. I need to get my fishing on. Up there is Cave Rock. Now let's go down with Cassandra and Stephanie and see what they catch. Alright, she's gonna pull it out of the water. You stop being a pervert. And oh! A crusty. Is that it? What is that? It's like a bottle cap that's been eroded for, I don't know, maybe it's like a, I don't think it's a bottle cap, that's really heavy. Let me see this madness. I don't care how cold it is. You guys are back there bickering like a married couple, talk about being cold. Jesus Christ. Anyways, I'm gonna try to clean this up a little bit, see what it is. Come on, is it Stephanie? Cassandra pulled out some on her first try. Don't let me down. I know you're usually used to fishing real fish. I found a screw! Screw! Oh, I can't get it off. Oh.
Yeah, I got a screw.
Nice. It got stuck. Stephanie had to take her pants off, but I won't show that part. She'd be pretty mad. She's gonna go get it.
Oh. Hey guys, had to come in the water and what is that?
Are you so cold that you can't even function?
No, it's so cold.
The
first day of summer, but it doesn't feel like it in here.
She actually had to take off her shirt and her pants like a trooper that she is. I love you. I love you so much. Hello, little piece of garbage. You think you can escape from me? I do not think so. Aha! I find you. I always find you. Well, there's some garbage for you. Someone's t-shirt. Someone is out there running around topless! Oh my God. Hi guys, we are on our way home. Oh my God, so much stuff happened. When I was over trying to help Stephanie, because she got our magnet stuck, unbeknownst to myself, Cassandra was having the same issue. She was, she was over on the other side, wading into the end of the lake because her magnet also got stuck. So it was just magnet stuck kind of day. So we spent a lot of that time doing that. So yeah, it was straight tragedy. She's over here
wet,
soaked. Stephanie's back there soaked. Sweats. And she's hungry and miserable. So we're going home and we're gonna eat.
It's a good day.
It was a good day. Yeah, it was, I agree. And this is MagNeat.O. Peace out.